I would like to explain why Bluetooth need to have so many different versions, from version 1 all the way to version 5, from classical Bluetooth all the way to BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. Okay, the first version of Bluetooth, in fact, is the first form of wireless communication. So version 1 is the first type of wireless connectivity. The key objective is to carry the analog signal. At that time, most of the signal, in fact, will be analog nature. If you still remember, the convention phone call is actually an analog signal. Our voice is still in an analog signal. So basically, the phone call actually transmit our voice to this headset so that we are able to hear the voice from another party. So basically, this is the objective of the first version of Bluetooth. The second version of Bluetooth, as you can see from here, is to change from analog signal to digital signal because there are greater demand for wireless connectivity. For example, okay, we can have this as a form of headset to listen to the music. We can have a very simple form of mouse, wireless mouse to be more precise. So from version 1 to version 2, the key objective is to switch from analog signal to digital signal. As for version 3, okay, because the music getting more sophisticated, which means that we are going to have more throughput because the music data actually increased drastically. Okay, the music has so many different bass, and then they actually move on into stereotype. So therefore, version 3 of Bluetooth is to increase the throughput because a lot of application actually require more and more data. As the music, for example, like I illustrate early on, they need to play in a sophisticated manner, which means that the headset, okay, that actually receive the data from the mobile phone, they need to increase the data rate so as to be able to receive the correct amount of data. So basically, this is the reason why we need to move from version 2 to version 3 is to simply increase the throughput. Version 4, okay, in fact, is a game changer. They are actually concentrate on low energy. From version 1, version 2, version 3, you can see that they concentrate how to put more data as data rate. Okay, but for version 4, they actually concentrate on low energy, which means that how they can prolong the battery life. So basically, this is the objective of version 4. Version 4 is also the spark of Bluetooth device able to sleep when they are not performing any tasks. Version 5 is the spark of a mesh network. At this moment, we don't see a lot of deployment in terms of mesh network on the version 5 of Bluetooth, but I believe this should be happening soon. So guys, if you're keen to know more about the different version of Bluetooth, please see the playlist under the description. Thank you so much.